The Spurs versus Celtics. Just read to Lakers before this. Wemby. Okay. Celtics definitely gonna get this dub, but let's see. Spurs coming off the loss to the Trailblazers, although Wemby didn't play in that one, but the game before they versed them and Wemby had 30 with 7 blocks. Let's see how Wemby ends up 2023, man. Like I said, we had the Lakers right before this. Got a couple more games later, so stay tuned. Let's see. Hey, Wemby. He's been hooping lately, man. He's been going crazy, bro. Oh, good later. That's how you freaking avoid it. Getting blocked by Wem. That's how you avoid it. Alright.
Right down the middle of the paint, he's rewarded.
Brown.
Really fancy that time. Spurs do a good job
defending. And one.
White gives it up.
Tatum.
For
3. Okay. Tatum, man. Yeah, the Celtics are the best team in the league. They sure do play like it, let me tell you. Giving them wide open. Can't hit one. No handy.
Jeremy gives it up. Madu goes up with a right hand for 2. Branham, Trey, Sohan, back to Malachi. Just before
another one.
Start of the second half. As the Spurs down by 12 and now by 14 as Jaylen Brown gets into the rebound. Brown. Now he pulls up over Jeremy Sohan. Jaylen Brown now wants to get involved in the action. Sohan barely grazed the iron with that shot. Then Jeremy doesn't get back as Derek White leaks out.
Okay. I'm out of that many hoops I can hoop all out of that.
Jaylen Brown. Jeremy Sohan with the hand.
Now this is all of a sudden just a blowout.
One off the back iron and off Horford into Victor. He's ahead of the pack. He just
what the hell? That's crazy. That's crazy. You really depend on the fucking minute.
But again, when Victor has the ball,
that shit is wild.
So you start making cuts, and he's gonna reward you.
Spot start tonight. He's got 7 points. Malachi for 3.
Okay. Wemby! Damn, when? Damn, when? Wait! Damn, slamming! Oh my goodness, they are slamming on these boys.
Of course, that series was Derek's coming out party. Not only with the dunk as Porzingis puts it down there, but and of course had the 30-point performance here at the then known as the AT&T Center. Another turnover by the Spurs, another dunk for the Celtics.
Jaylen Brown.
It's becoming showtime for all the wrong reasons.
Showtime.
He's one from
the 35-point game. Or it's 25.
Another 3. Fifth of the night for Tim. Him and Brown each over
25
20
points
tonight.
That's still a lot, though. That's still a lot, though. Hey, Tatum.
Jason Tatum, who averages 23 in his career against the Spurs, has 25. Cedi Osman's first 3 of the night. Final seconds here in the third quarter. And
Pritchard saucer.
Of course. I mean, they're just so comfortable and confident right now.
Hauser coming off the screen, handing it off to Luke
Alright,
Cornett.
I'm home back in, so I will get. Actually, wait till 1B gets
Pritchard.
Pritchard.
Attacking, gets free, lays it up for 2.
Pritchard's
So
awesome.
if there are any double teams or any kind of mismatches, they're going to create shots for you.
Nice job by Victor to save it, but he saves it right to
Set.
O'Shea.
Oh!
An and one opportunity.
It's about to be 40!
Cornett, the handoff, Peyton Pritchard. Throwing it up for Cornett, and that's 3 times he's gotten that action tonight.
Exactly. I mean, you have Cornett catching lobs.
Cedi Osman, Trey Jones, and Vassell now into the paint. Will ball fake, splits through the defense,
hey!
And gets one
Vassell.
more.
Had to work so hard for that bucket.
The championship medal, whatever you want to call it, of the Celtics, it came through here in the second half.
Right, no question. I mean,
Luke Cornett, you've done enough tonight.
Right, I was about to say.
I'm out of here.
Graham will get an and one at the end.
GG's. The Chisel chat. 30 point
The final